Hello my beautiful wonderful people. Today I will be doing a video on making moisturizer. What I will be using is the African shea butter in the 8-ounce jar. You also will see all the oils that I will be using. This is the grape seed oil. Previously it was the castor oil, the Jamaican castor oil. You have the coconut oil. You can see next you have essential oil. This is the lemongrass one. Essential oil help your hair to smell good. This is also another essential oil. It is the peppermint. Next you have the Jamaican castor oil, but this one is optional. This one have lavender, so you can put it in there only if you like. The method that we will be using is to put the boiling water on the stove. Then you would put the African shea butter in a plate and put it on the stove and let it melted. After it is completely melted, this is what it looks like. Now what we are going to do is to add all the different oils. So we are going to combine all the oils and then we mixed it thoroughly. I was just removing a bead from the oil that my toddler had put in the shea butter previously. Okay, so the first oil that we are going to add is I am just getting the measuring cup ready so that I can add the oils in and add them to the melted shea butter. So as you can see, I have the measuring cup, just checking the teaspoon on it. Okay, so the first oil that is the coconut oil. Coconut oil helps your hair to feel soft, smooth, and silky. There are a lot of persons who are allergic to coconut oil, so you can add other oils of your preference because not everybody here agrees with coconut oil. So I am just checking the measurement again. That is a half teaspoon of coconut oil and we need 1 teaspoon. So we are going to add another measurement and pour it in the African shea butter. Next, we will be adding the grape seed oil. Grape seed oil is a good source of vitamin E. It helps to protect your hair from damage. I am going to use half teaspoon of grape seed oil. Previously, I put the coconut oil in the African shea butter. If you are allergic to coconut oil, what you can add is olive oil. So you can add olive oil instead of the coconut oil. Next, we will be adding the great Jamaican castor oil. Castor oil helps to increase blood flow to your scalp and it also promotes hair growth. This castor oil has no added salt to it. So the Jamaican castor oil, you have to look for the ones that do not have any salt at all because salt will damage your hair. This one is so potent and thick, rich. It helps your hair for longer growth. If you want healthy long hair, you should make sure that all your hair regimen contain castor oil. Next, I will be adding my essential oils. These oils I will be putting in a few drops. So the first one is the peppermint. I will be putting 2 drops of peppermint. You can add that desired amount that you needed, but I decided to put 2 drops of peppermint. The next one that I will be adding is the lemongrass, and this one is so strong, so I will be only using 1 drop of peppermint oil. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. This moisturizer can be used as often as needed. What I am going to do now is to combine all the oils together. So I will be mixing thoroughly. After mixing, I will pour it in a container and leave it for 24 hours for it to be firm. Or if you want to get it done in about 2 hours, what you can do is to put it in the refrigerator. After 2 hours, you can remove it and it will have the desired look that you want it to be. You are using the boiling method where you put the shea butter in a plate and place it in the boiling water. Please do not let any water get inside of the shea butter. All we need is just the melted shea butter and all the other oils. If you make water catch in there, it can. When I said fail, what I mean, after it is ferment, you will see the water settled at the bottom, and I know that you don't want it that way. It has happened to me before. That is why I am advising you not to let any water while it is boiling get in the shea butter. Thank you so much for watching today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is what the complete look of the shea butter is like after refrigerating.